this wall actually speaks about complete history. Try this. The roasted coffee bean smell. I can get it. This is the caramel frappe. This is lychee rebel. So there's lychee on this. We also bought this fridge magnet. Let me just show you. So we did some shopping. Let me just show you. Hi! If you are a coffee lover, you need to definitely visit this place, which is called World of Coffee. It's in Chikmagalur. Let's check it out. So this wall actually speaks about how the coffee was discovered and then how it came to India, and then the harvesting, the pulping, drying, grinding and packaging. So it has the complete history. This is the aroma station. So they've kept the coffee blossom, the green bean and the roasted bean. Let's try out. There's a slight, the roasted coffee bean smell. I can get it from here. This I can smell the flowers, but this I think the pump is gone, so I cannot actually get the smell. So let's check out the cafe inside. This is the cafe here. So they have kept the experience zone, and then there's some food also to try. Different flavors of coffee also, so we'll just try some of them. There's some waffles, blueberry cheesecake, some focaccia bread. Coffee is being prepared over here. Caramel. Let's look at the menu. This is the World of Coffee menu. There's some flavored iced coffee, sorry. There's also black coffee, hot and cold. It's white coffee. And the usual filter coffee, caramel coffee, hazelnut. And then some sandwiches, toast, then the croissants and pizza. So let's see what we can pick from this. You have these? Lychee. Then I need one biscoff cheesecake. Yeah. We just ordered caramel frappe, then lychee rebel iced coffee, and lotus biscuit cheesecake. So just waiting for it. A lotus biscuit cheesecake just came. I'm waiting for the coffee. This is the caramel frappe. It's nice. Yum. Let's taste this now. Very nice. Thank you. This is lychee rebel. So there's lychee on this. Ow. Let me try. This has strong flavor of coffee with a hint of lychee flavor in it. It's nice. But compared to this, I like the caramel frappe more. That has, even though a strong flavor of coffee, the caramel stands out. So that's really good. This I would rate it second. Caramel biscoff, the biscoff cheesecake is also very good. They have different flavors of coffee here. This red wine fermented. This is pineapple. There's cinnamon. Tender coconut. So it actually says it's 250 gram, 560 rupees. It's from Mullanagiri. Cinnamon fermented. This pineapple. This is red wine fermented. Coffee blossom tea. This is mild smell. This is red wine fermented. There are lots of flavors here. Maybe we can ask that lady over there to just explain. ಏನೇನ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಇದು ವಿತ್ ಚಿಕೋರಿ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಚಿಕೋರೀಸ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಹಾ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ. ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೋಟೆಡ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಸಲ್ನಟ್, ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಹೇಸಲ್ನಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಫೀಸ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಳಯ್ಯನಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದು. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದು ಶರೀಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 ವೀಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಜಾರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಕಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಕಿಳ ಹೂವ ಇವಾಗ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಆಗೋದು? 2 months. ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ?
ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರು. ಕ್ಯಾಫೇನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. We also bought this fridge magnet. Let me just show you. It's really cute. Nice. Caramel frappe. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನು
ಸಿರಪ್.
ಸಿರಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದು? ಹೇಸಲ್ನಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಮೈಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಹೇಸಲ್ನಟ್ದೇ ಕೊಡಿ. Instant coffee hazelnut. So we did some shopping. Let me just show you. So got this instant coffee hazelnut, and then the fridge magnet, which I already showed you. So they have their own website, 1952coffee.com, and it's also available on Amazon and Flipkart, where you can order online. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below.